Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news antiphons in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rumboi clarifies on common university entrance test in Meghalaya. Government to identify places fit for construction of garbage dumping ground in Jainta Hills. Nyotrap Achik National Movement of Ribhoi District requests state government to upgrade Umsning Police Outpost to police station. And Ribhoi Synod College facilitates first batch of the college graduates. And now the news in detail. As majority of the students in the state are still confused as to the nature of the Common University entrance test, today the 4th of May 2022, the Education Minister Shri Lakmin Rumboi gave a detailed explanation about the said entrance test.
Affiliating college lane Shillong is state funded, aided, lane private college kila ban exam na kaneka CUET Henry yaki course kiba ki conduct hi daka university or in campus course wat la daki day ki central university wat la ki day undergraduate ro ka ki khna ki hap hi banyale nakabenta kaneka CUET te hakajing kren mensisngi ki chief minister ila yo ia kataka assurance ba ka notification kan sami hakini gisni te hadu banga kren menta kalong nakaleng ka jongi ngimpat yo ia kataka notification rei base ya kataka ba lade ya kren hakatu mensisngi ngangai scam ba ka jing kren ba chief minister ba o union minister kalong final.
Today, the 4th May 2022, Urban Affairs Minister Shri Meghalaya informed that the government is in the process to solve the recent garbage dumping issue that has caused a lot of inconvenience to the locals of the place. Speaking to the media fraternity, Meghalaya said there are around 3 or 4 places that have been identified fit for construction of the garbage dumping ground, reiterating the fact that these are still under process.
So, instruct of Sada municipal banilek and aware in the I governance program, they begin so pair Hakabay Day beginning at the adopting. Can it is just a previous the Hakabay Day about the permanent Mundun Persia. Probably only I buy Tamba, Pisnano, but they were Dave Kalong percent. Yes, it is correct. Ndala yo if it's a permanent like in a ticket as well as SW M200 rule, the time you can see. Isu kena tak berbeza, mesti berlaku. Gun kena hajuai kalau berat, aku belum tahu dan cukup ni aku tak tahu. Kami jadi betul. Ibnu kita persia yang permanen. Kau ni tambah make sure it should be properly managed as per the entity guideline as per the SM rule. Kita persia. Hanya kadang problem kerja kan belum dan bisa mempersuatu persia yang ini dan beri dompet. Jika tu kan belum lah ya persuatu katu kan ini song lagi. Kau bisa kelakan dok mengipor support yang berbeda kita awareness program bro. Jika tak aku belum lagi kau bisa kerja selesai. Present dia aku belum kan don sum dah jual. Jadi ini will solve this matter in a very short time.
In order to minimize the various problems faced by the people of Umsning in Ribhoi District, the Nyotrap Achik National Movement of Ribhoi District met the Meghalaya Home Minister Lakmin Rumboi at the main secretariat in Shillong and requested him to upgrade the Umsning outpost to a police station. Speaking to the media, the president of the organization, Pating Mirsing, informed that the minister will look into the matter.
Jogong Umsning mentakang dega way nagi sentar po Ribhoi. Tenyo iba ka population ka ba ketiga opus dan chat ka poi hadu ndrup wajar. Bat Shillong ki ba kentup ki poi hadu sampo tuli Shillong. Tengi ngila idon kam. Bat upgrade no ya ketiga opus syaka police station lamar ka Umsning kadeka sen kadeka way nagi sentar ka ba ki pai ba kilek ki wan ma po kadong Ribhoi ki dungi. Tenaga ka seng ni penpau Seka sorkar, bat kamtam ya ibu minister bah ini sini awak ni aku boleh iba ilai ke asuran kita kabai dai bat kani ka kam te ngi skan ka e ka ba ila kula rahmat ni ka seng ngi ba ka kam kan sa urlong kenang ba gaji sup kanwan ya upai ba no song jong ka umsling ni bro kawai mario I sipun kijing e ngilap ba tenteng kumban su anu usaha ba don kijing pluing jenjara po ria umsling ka dapoy bi biar service kaing kala ingkong kadaw kalong ba taga outpost ka no e gila kawai bangio I ba kiman power kiduna ka outpost te kuntala dot kam kerki ya kana ka outpost ban upgrade no syaka police station te nagale ka seng kanungkut dengan metasngi nginang yang budin ni ka kam halu bakan urlong bangi kwa ai ba ginyo ia ka police station hate po musling.
Ribhoi Synod College today facilitated 18 of its first students who graduated from this college, including 2 students who have passed well in the HSSLC examination. These students were facilitated by Lok Sabha member Vincent Pala, who was the chief guest at the facilitation program organized by the college. The program was also graced by MDC of Mawati constituency Charles Marngar as the guest of honor, Dr. Celestin Lingdo, Reverend H.L. Marsing, the president of the governing board, principal of the college Dr. Kamailang Nongmale, vice principal Reverend Precious Tumong, office bearers of the college, teachers and students of the college. This college was declared open by Vincent Pala in 2017. The establishment of the college was to provide education to the people belonging to economically weaker sections of Ribhoi area. Speaking on the occasion, Vincent Pala said,
students barabor usok nongkong di usok patiam tam ni hadok mentahi haying jongi barabor bisa engok usok nongkong man kesnem saya duai na dan dari saya macam senang mengani mai ong bang ini benar lang haying ban ai kucing engok apa ya usok nongkong tapi bami nang usok nongkong kakateng kanam kepurom jompi kanne pateng lah pateng akan ika college ke badon lagi don lagi higher secondary lagi don lagi college na aero ke jingero ya kinong penya kipala I jingai kamtang naliang kan Ribhoi Synod kumno bandera iki kon jongki kumno bandera bantei kalawai jongki kon jongki students na po Ribhoi na ke jingero yang jingai ikon jongi kinam sakama lada kimio admission di college prepare hasor ni yang long kajing don jon kon college kaman toy kini ke college kerika assets nam ta kari bat ke cek kiru jungi untang ya kene ke Shillong lani kene ke district dari kari bat ke cek kiru jungi paro naklam artitien bahi ki por panwan ki snen ki pandang wan kinwan ki students na keleng jong kari
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.